Така, здравейте всички, аз съм BG Fun Gaming и както виждате днес ще играем The Walking Dead сезон 1, епизод 1, естествено. A New Day, това е първи епизод, после имаме втори и трети и по-нататък. Така започваме с първи епизод. Естествено, това няма сега да бъде баш целият епизод, защото е някъде към 1 час, но... Извиня се, да. Не се лейки. Играта вчера намерих в YouTube. Та, наистина много ме зарадва, много ме изкефи, надявам се и на вас да ви харесва. Графиката е наистина готина.
Well, I reckon you didn't do it then.
What is it about the
You know what they say about reckoning?
I don't, but I reckon it's a lot like assuming.
Yeah, something like that.
Now, I've driven a bunch of fellas down to this prison. Lord knows how many. Usually it's about now I get the, I didn't do it.
Not for me, and what do you say every time?
And what do you say?
I say, yep, I know you did. I followed your case a little bit, you being a Macon boy and all.
We're from Macon then, so you've got an opinion. What do you think?
What do you think?
I'm just glad I chose law and not order. Big messy trial like that, even if you
What?
was innocent. A lot of what happened can't ever be undone.
Any of that seem important to you?
All of it, but that box never shuts up. Sit in this seat and pay too much attention and you'll drive yourself crazy. I got a nephew up at UGA. You teach there long?
Going on the 6th year.
You meet your wife in Athens? You want to know how I see it?
Not really.
Well, too bad. My car. You might have the right to remain silent, but it don't mean I gotta be. Regardless, could be you just married the wrong woman. You'll have to learn to stop worrying about things you can't control.
What the fuck was that?
I'm driving this man once. He was the worst one.
Наистина е много интересно какво става, понеже, както казах, играта я намерих вчера в YouTube и не я гледах много. Тоест, някъде до тук или когато блъснахме там нещо на пътя, мисля, че беше зомби, защото все пак The Walking Dead има смисъл.
Then before long, he starts kicking the back of the seat like a fussy baby on an airplane. I tell him he's got to stop. That's government property, and I'll be forced to zap him otherwise. So he stops, and having exhausted all his options, he starts crying out for his mama. Mama, it's all a big mistake. It wasn't me.
So did he do it?
They caught the fucker red-handed, stabbing his wife, cutting her up as the boys came through the door. He sits in my car screaming bloody murder that it wasn't him. I think he actually believed it himself. It goes to show, people will up and go mad when they believe their life is over. I got another good one for you. This one's a little bit less depressing and a bit more hilarious if I do say so. This other time...
Oh shit. Като се замисля, т.е. като видях какво стана, когато Ли беше без колан, леле мале. Всички го видяха. Всичко. Той направо от тавана към седалката, от тавана към седалката. Затова се слагат колани. Макар че аз не го правя. Да, изглеждам доста добре.
Officer? That doesn't look good. He wasn't ejected from the car. Why the hell did he have his gun out? He's not moving.
Естествено, че умърда.
Damn it.
Аха! Мале. Това боле. Наистина не ми се иска да спирам клипа до тук, но понеже, както съм казал в предишните клипове, не може да правим по-дълги клипове от, да кажем, 11 минути. Аз предпочитам да не са по-дълги от 11 минути, но да се сега. Тук приключвам клипа. Надявам се този клип да ви е харесал. Очаквайте сигурно около няколко клипа днес. Не обещавам, но със сигурност ще има. Предполагам. Харесайте и се абонирайте и чао.